everyone, to our live coverage of CareerQuest here at the ETSU Mini Dome, meeting some of the folks that are involved in this event. And we want to bring in our next guest. We have Helen Harmon, of course, from Bell Helicopter right over here. And we have Kieran Mason from NFS. And we've been watching both of your booths, and certainly a lot of people, a lot of interest. Let's start with you, Helen. Tell me a little bit about what you guys are offering for students from Bell Helicopter. Really, you have the actual helicopter here, so that is definitely one of those things drawing them in.
It is, yes. They are definitely gravitating towards the helicopter. What we're trying to do today is explain the different positions that we have at Bell Helicopter and trying to tie it all together for the students so that they can see a sheet metal mechanic, an avionics technician, a fabricator, and how all of the jobs that they do tie together to actually create a helicopter.
And I've actually gotten to go out to the facility over there in Piney Flats, and it's just incredible to be able to walk through and see these folks working during the workday and what they're actually doing and getting into the actual helicopters. Tell me a little bit about what you guys are doing over there at that facility.
So what we do is we do aircraft maintenance for about 80 or so regional customers. We also customize the helicopters. So let's say a law enforcement agency or a hospital group purchases a helicopter, then we'll customize it to their standards so that they can use it to save lives and all of the great things that they do. We also have a manufacturing department as well. And where we manufacture all of the aftermarket parts that Bell Helicopter customers could want. Things like high-vis windows, polycarb windows, things like that.
Very cool. And then, of course, right over here, we also have NFS. And I know the kids really excited. You've got lots of hands-on things and teaching about those different careers that you guys have to offer.
Yeah, we're really excited to be a part of CareerQuest. We really wanted to come and teach children about the importance of science, especially being a nuclear facility, explaining to people how you can get excited about science at a young age, teaching them about different things related to engineering, and also giving some hands-on experience because a lot of people don't know what exactly happens at a nuclear facility. So just showing them some of the fun things and some of the unique things that we have at NFS.
And I would imagine, too, it kind of gives them a little bit more enthusiasm when they're going back to those science classes to say, I'm starting to see the whole picture now.
Right. For young kids, it's really important to get excited about your sciences, your technology, engineering and math, your STEM programs. So what better way than having huge hands-on activities and having them go back and say, wow, I was really interested. I want to learn more. And that's the main thing we wanted to do and give that positive exposure for the STEM fields.
That is awesome. And Helen, we were talking earlier and you said one of the things that you are so encouraged by is all the female students, all the girls that you are seeing that are so excited. And of course, both of you, we think about these typical careers, we probably think more about men, and you guys here representing those fields as well. Such a great connection.
Definitely.
What are you seeing when it comes to the females? And you said they were so engaged, asking a lot of questions.
Yep, lots of great questions, very inquisitive, and also very open to careers in maybe fields that they hadn't considered previously.
Are you guys seeing that too at NFS, seeing more females involved? And
definitely, especially a woman myself with the engineering degree. I love to see girls come up and ask questions because it doesn't matter, male, female, girl, boy, everybody wants to kind of know a little bit more about science, and it's important for both genders. So we're really excited to especially see our young girls asking those questions, telling us how they love math and really want to get involved with their chemistry and biologies.
Very nice. And of course, when we're talking about exposing them to these different careers, something that I think who would have thought, you know, oh, I didn't even think about or consider that I could be working on or manufacturing helicopters right here in the Tri-Cities.
Yeah. One of the other things that we've been asking students what career they're interested in. A number of them have mentioned careers that aren't necessarily hands-on manufacturing jobs, but we've been explaining to them that, you know, one manufacturing job creates a number of other jobs as well. Support functions such as IT, such as engineering, human resources, finance, accounting, purchasing, etc., and even legal. So I spoke with a young lady yesterday who said, well, I want to be a lawyer, so there's really nothing here for me. And I said, well, our company actually has a whole department of legal team. So that's something you could consider as well.
Certainly a lot of different parts and pieces have to come together to make it successful.
And we're excited about being here in the Tri-Cities, especially with CareerQuest catering to the Tri-Cities. We're located in Irwin, Tennessee, and we're the only company that makes what we make. And we love to cater to the students in this area and expose them. There are a lot of cool things, such as making helicopters in the nuclear industry that a lot of huge cities don't have, that we have right here local in the Tri-Cities.
We are certainly fortunate to have that. Ladies, thank you so much for joining us today. Wonderful to get an opportunity to chat with you. Of course, for more information, NFS right there in Irwin, or Bell Helicopter facility in the plant. So cool to see right out there in Piney Flats. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.